So I'm going to install a groove gate so I can keep these groove slugs, because I've got a groove versus the track is outside, a groove is inside. So I've got to keep this from coming in and out of the slot. So I'm going to put this to try and close that gate on there.
It's your time, do it right. Come on, in the day or in the night. Don't be shy, you can try. They can never take your pride. Put them up, you're enough. You can battle through the rough. It's a movement so needed. Cultivate it and feed it. Let them say what they want, but never believe that you do you, they do them. The love wins in the end.
I decided to get a brand new tap with a number 7 drill bit, as opposed to using an old rusty tap and then probably having to finagle a 13/64 or something close.
And again, you can transcend. It's a movement so needed. Cultivate it and feed it. It's your moment. Yeah, you know you own it. You can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta make it. It's your moment. Yeah, you know you own it. You can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta make it. It's your time, do it right. In December or July, don't be shy, you can fly. They can never break your stride. Roll them up, you're the one. The work is never done. It's a movement, so lead it. Cultivate it and feed it. Let them talk all they want, but never concede it. Stay true, stay zen, 'cause love wins in the end. Let's go! It's your moment. Yeah, you know you own it. You can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment.
The debris so I don't catch it in my toes. I'm going to use some painter's tape.
You can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta make it. It's a movement so needed. Cultivate it and feed it. Cultivate, feed it, feed it. It's a movement so needed. Cultivate it and feed it.